Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Lottie Library. This library will help us integrate animations on our app. First, we need to go to their website. So this is the library, and then we need to integrate this. Open the app module. Okay, change this to double quotation, then assign value. So the latest is 503. So 503. Right, then click sync. Okay, and then let's create a new file, layout resource file. Says it's just a sample, so I named this as loading, and let's wait for this to complete. Alright, so it's already integrated, and then let's go again to the documentation. I guess this is the documentation, and click Android. As you can see, there's also documentation here. So this is the Lottie animation view. Let's copy that, paste it here. Okay, then you need to Alt Enter in order for this to be imported. So as you can see, it's not yet centered, so I need to center this one. Top to top of parent, bottom to bottom of parent, and start of parent. Okay, so it's now centered. So it's looking for an animation. As you can see here, we can actually load it from the row folder. Also, we can load it on the from the assets folder. So we can just use this from row folder. So let's create a row resource folder. It is row. Okay, then we're going to look for animation. Lottie animation. Okay, so let's try this animation. Can click usually I use the Lottie JSON because it's just a text, a text file. And let's download this. So this is a JSON file. And let's go to downloads, copy this and put it in the row folder. So make sure you don't include dash. You need to change it to underscore instead. So this is the actual animation, right? It's just a text. So let's include this here, gear animation. As you can see, it's now loaded. So we have additional attributes or properties, like we can loop it, or we can just play it once. As you can see, it has a loop. You can turn off loop and it will just play once. So that's the control over here. So okay, this is a loading.xml layout. So let's go to the main activity and use loading layout. So now I'm going to connect my device using SCRCPY. So there's a link on the top on how to use SCRCPY in order for your phone to be visible or get mirrored in your screen. If you click this icon, you can now see your screen. So let's test the Lottie animation integration. Let's wait for it to finish. So okay, it's now being loaded. So as you can see, it's not playing the animation. Let's try to add autoplay and let's check it again. Okay, so it's now playing the animation and it loops after it ends the first. So we can see if the loop false is working. Let's run it again. Okay, so now it just play once. So that's it, guys. So let me show you another one. Free animation here. This is interesting. Okay, so here, let's test this. Okay, so go to downloads, unlock, paste it here. Be sure to remove the dash or any text that doesn't make sense. Okay, so this is the unlock animation. We can maybe show that both. So animation unlock and this one animation gear. So let's delete this and unlock. Okay, let's put it below. Okay, so we set the height. Okay, you can actually set the height here, and maybe this one, so 200 each. Okay, let's check. Alright, so it's animating. So let's try setting this as a loop. Then the unlock is set to false. So thank you everyone, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you a lot with your coding. Don't forget to subscribe so that you will be updated to our upcoming videos, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions. I will try my best to answer all of those in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.